Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It is Tootie. So today me and my daughter are making some zucchini brownies. We've got all this stuff out right now that we need. So I figured I'd take you guys along with us to make the brownies and make the mess. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started with the first couple ingredients. The first ingredient we're gonna add is sugar. You need 1.5 cups. So we're gonna put about 2 more scoops of this. See if she can get it. Okay, perfect. Let's get another one. These are super easy. It's so fun to make with the kids. Let's add the extra cup. These are also eggless too, if you are looking for an eggless recipe. All right, you guys, so our next ingredient is vegetable oil. We just need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. You want to pour it, Alani? Okay.
Yum, yum, yum.
Perfect. Okay, so the next ingredient is vanilla extract, and this one's good because it calls for 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So go ahead and scoop that. We're going to be using our homemade. Oops, it's going to be a little hard for her. Let's see if we can. Yeah, we need to fill that up. Do some more. Okay, we'll try to get this filled up, but we need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, so we were able to get our vanilla extract. Beautiful, beautiful vanilla bean in there. So, it smells so good. I love homemade anything. So go ahead and dump that in, Alani. Does it smell good? Ooh, we got some beautiful vanilla beans. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna mix this up and then we'll get on to the next step. So now we're just gonna take our little mixer here and we're just gonna mix it around until it's fully incorporated. This might take us a little bit. So this is what it looks after it's been fully incorporated. It's not gonna look wet or anything like that. But the sugar and oil and vanilla are all combined. So now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. Okay guys, so our next ingredient is 2 cups of flour. So we're gonna put 2 cups of flour in.
Wow. That was fun.
So you get another one, do another cup of flour. All right, go ahead and plop it in.
Pop.
All right. All right, guys, so our next ingredient is some cocoa powder. This is the cocoa powder we have. Let's finish this one first. We need 1/2 cup, but our 1/2 cup measuring has a ton of oil in it, so we're gonna use 2 1/4 cup measurings right now. Measuring spoon. Okay, good job. Now go ahead and put it in there. Do one more. All right, so we've got our baking, not our baking powder, but our baking cocoa or cocoa powder. All right, next we need our baking soda. So we need 1.5 teaspoons. Let's see. So we just need 1 of those and then 1/2 one, okay?
It's so glittery.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get our 1/2 teaspoon. Go ahead and add that. Perfect. The next ingredient we need is salt, and we're going to be using this pink Himalayan salt. All right, so we have 1 teaspoon of salt that we're going to add. Go ahead and dump it in. Okay, so now we need to mix all this in. So we're going to do that. It says the batter will be very dry, but don't worry, it's okay. You mix it up really good.
So good. It's so good.
All right, so guys, this is what it looks like. Slow down, Amar. This is what it's looking like now that we've mixed everything up. And now we're going to add our zucchini to the mixture. We need 3 cups of zucchini. All right, so we've got all our zucchini. I think we have about 3 cups here. So we're gonna go ahead and load this up. Let's see, fill it up a little more. I think that looks about right. And you do not drain the zucchini, just leave it moist and wet. Okay, so we
My
got
turn?
one. Yeah, it's your turn now. Let's
I
do it.
do
Let's,
that.
yeah, you can do the next one. So go ahead and get another cup of zucchini. It's so fun baking with your kids because they get to learn how to do all this stuff. They even helped shred it earlier. So I'm baking with my twins today. We got all messy, but it's okay. We're gonna fill this up with 3 cups of zucchini and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we've got our zucchini in. Now, all we've got to do is mix it all in together. Just gonna mix it. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So gonna get this all combined. All right, you guys, so we had to get a spoon to mix this. It does say add chocolate chunks in here. Like say you want chocolate chunks or chips or something, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna put chocolate frosting on top of ours because that's how we like it. But I'll leave the recipe in the description box. You can adapt it to what you want. After we get this all combined, we need to let this sit for 5 minutes before we put it in our baking pan. Okay guys, so this is our big mess, what we got going on. It's always fun baking with kids, and this is what happens. So we're gonna do a quick cleanup while we let this rest for 5 minutes. We added no egg and no extra liquid. Everything you saw we added, that's it. Once you add the zucchini in, the liquid from that just makes it like this. So we're gonna clean this up really quick, and then we'll be back to put this in the pan and bake it. Okay, so I've got our baking dish. I sprayed it with some cooking spray so it won't stick. Here is our brownie mixture. We're just gonna go ahead and pour right on in. Just try and get these brownies all out. All right, you guys, so our zucchini brownie mix is ready. We're just gonna pop this in the... Okay, you guys, so we put this in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes, and that was it. We just took it out, we tested it, the knife came out clean, so we're gonna let this cool. We're gonna top this with some chocolate frosting, and it is gonna be so good. We'll be back when it's ready to top with frosting. All right, guys, so I just put the frosting on. We just went ahead and used this random chocolate frosting. You can make your own if you want, but we just did that. It's gonna be so good. I'll cut a piece and show you guys what it looks like inside. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. You can see a few zucchini pieces here and there. I just took it from this corner. It looks so good and so moist. Let me try this little piece right here. So good. I love, without the frosting, it was good. I love zucchini brownies because you get the zucchini, the benefits, get some extra veggies in, and you can't even tell it's there. It's so good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this a try. Give this eggless zucchini brownie a try. My kids are going to go crazy over this tonight. So we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.